Despite being capable of bending steel and ripping trees from their roots, there is one seemingly harmless thing that gorillas avoid at all costs: water. These powerful beasts, capable of taking down almost any threat, are surprisingly terrified of it. Even the smallest streams or puddles can send a gorilla into a panicked retreat, and when it rains, you can witness a massive silverback, an animal that can weigh over 400 pounds, frantically running for cover like a frightened child. But it gets even stranger. Gorillas won't even drink water. I'll reveal the shocking truth behind this behavior. You'd expect these mighty creatures to conquer any environment they enter, but when it comes to water, they'll do absolutely anything to stay dry. That's because their dense bodies make them poor swimmers, and they instinctively avoid deep water to prevent drowning.